Well, no dust today. Don't look like it. Try to make some more progress again. I just have this field to finish here, and then I got one other small one. Brother came home today, so he's doing 2 fields over there. Have to mix alfalfa and meadow brome grass in, so 2 smaller fields there going to hayland for starting next year then, and kind of a really quite different from last year plowing right now. And a bunch of dust most of the time, and now this year is like hardly any dust. Big plow is done for the year, I hope. Brother's just about done with the other plow. Probably got another maybe, I don't know, half hour, 45 minutes. I bet he'll be done then too. But I'm gonna go see what's here. I need to go home and eat something real quick, and then yeah, probably either come out and do some digging for the ends or start seeding the ends, one or the other. So worry about this stuff later then. That clover's coming pretty strong here. Sweet clover coming here. That's even after last fall with the cows hammering on this field. Wonder how that alfalfa's coming there too. What it looks like. We got done with the organic stuff, so it's done. Had a little problem at the end. The little drills there. The darn spring for the chain tensioner, the drive chain, kept popping off. Popped me off like 4 times. And then had 4 acres left to do. Popped off again, and then it caught then. It doubled up on itself then. So, wasted some time there. Slowly bringing the tractors home now. I'm just walking out right now. I'm gonna leave the TG out here. It's hooked up to the disc right now. I need the disc at some point here. Absolutely amazing. I'm pretty sure we had all the
Yeah, I think every single tractor was outside today. I don't think I've ever seen that before. Little TS on the gravity box. My TSX doing ends in the fields, and that little piece then, and of course the ACO sets out for feeding cows. Massey on the little plow, 8870 on the big plow, TG on the disc, T9's hooked up to the drill right now. Yeah, just every tractor got used today, pretty much. Well, except for the T9, I guess. That's the only one, but I did take the 4-wheeler out to go with the 8870, but now it's like, oh, TG's the closest. I gotta move him away from the hay here, or else you can have bird's nest galore. Move it away from here. So, but then it's everything else then too, so, oh my gosh. What a heck of a week so far it's been. So, finish up for the night. I'll be out for a while yet. I'll probably be out for another 2 hours probably, I'm sure. Well, that lake's officially connected down there. Can't believe that actually filled in there. I just noticed how big these trees have gotten now, this tree row. Kind of up the top of the hill here, they're pretty thin. Some actually died up there. I forget when we put these in. 10 years ago? Took a while for them. It was a struggle right away because weather wasn't cooperating for them, as usual. Okay. This morning at about 6 o'clock, a big crack of thunder woke me up, and then it started pouring. Probably rained for an hour, and we got an inch 75. So water's flowing a lot of places. So I think that makes it, what, just over 250 now for the month of May now. So they're pretty much, 6 inches there in April there. And we're closing on 9 inches of moisture now in the last 2 months. We surpassed our total from last year, so surpassed it in 2 months. Squish, 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 squish. Oh, we had another half inch of rain in about, it could have been 10-15 minutes. You see it's raining here again. I'll make that about, what does that come to? 2 1/4 today so far. So I'm just gonna go brace for impact, as in move my TS6 tractor, barricade the doors on the red building. The wind is supposed to come up middle of the night. It's supposed to blow all day tomorrow. 30 to 40 mile an hour sustained wind, so. Oh yeah. 2 new knuckleheads arrived. 2 of the 4. The 2 Semitols here. The 1 bull here, he's got decent numbers on him, but number 29 and 36 from C Diamond. The 129, he's a little on the wild side. Reminds me a lot of that the 1 bull that died a couple weeks ago. Reminds me of him when he first came here. He was kind of wild too. He's acting just like this bull is. Kaminky? Oh yeah, that should work. The tractor got kind of cleaned off. Water and all up here. Oh boy, I don't want to get my butt wet. That'll do for now. One thing for certain with this wind is that it's gonna probably dry out stuff pretty quickly. What you need. Yeah, it's gonna be. We haven't had a west wind in a long time. Come to think of it. Yeah, we haven't had a west wind in ever. Last year we had west winds galore because it's so dry. This spring, for like the past 3 months, it's been a lot of easterly winds. We had a couple westerly breezes spread thin, but not that many though. It's been a lot of north to straight south winds. Very rare westerly, and we have westward prevailing winds most of the time here. Not to have much for the past 3 months. That's abnormal. But I'm still going to hold my prediction yet though for end of May into middle June. At some point I think we're going to get really dry and hot, and we're not going to get the rain that we need. I hope I'm wrong. Hope it's just mild, but I'm going to still hold to my prediction yet though. But buddy, you guys. Daddy, what's up? You're wet key. What are you doing out? You guys gonna blow away tomorrow? You gonna blow away tomorrow? Huh? You gonna blow away? You gonna blow away? I feel bad for those bowls being in there. It's so bad in here. We got no place to put them though. Maybe we could just dump them off at the other bowls for now, but the problem is they don't get used to us. They don't get used to a feed pail. It's not good then. So if you kind of have to have them up here for a couple weeks just so they get used to us, then it's just easier handling them then. Where's their water down there? Boy, that's filled up over there again. You pooper. Go in the Brinky. Most of that water was almost dried up in those couple potholes there. At least in the field east of the yard there too. That's what 2.5 inches of rain will do, and I think they're going to be there to stay now. I think that water table is quite high again now. It's creeping back up, at least around here anyways, around this mile of section, I guess. So, but yeah, I suppose have to fight the potholes this year. Huh? Wait. Pooper. What do you see, Key? Oh! What? What do you see? Hey, you. Hey, you with those beady eyes. What? What?